Hi, everyone, and welcome to Bite-Sized Branding, short video tips and tutorials on what brand strategy actually is and how it can help your organization. We're going to be talking about how brand strategy is very similar to the technical or blind challenges in the Great British Bake Off, where they have the list of ingredients, but they know the title of what they're making, but they don't particularly know how to make it, what it's supposed to look like, all of these different elements that can make it really, really challenging. Running your marketing department, really running your entire organization without brand strategy is the equivalent to a blind baking challenge. So you'll have a list of ingredients: flour, eggs, how much vanilla. This is very similar to a marketing plan or a marketing strategy. So you'll have post this many social a week, create this many white papers, spend this much in Google ads. All of these things, if you don't have the brand strategy, which the brand strategy is what the actual thing you're baking is. You have the ingredients, which is all of the marketing elements. The branding is what's actually being created, what it's supposed to taste like. You cannot have successful marketing if you don't have the higher level elements of what this thing is, who it's for, and why we are doing it. After close to 15 years of doing this, what I've discovered brand strategy actually, I'm sure you've seen in the past or have had experiences with really strong, really complex marketing plans and strategies that don't produce any results. This is because there's a lack of brand strategy. Lack of a brand strategy is one of, if not the single biggest hang up with organizations that fail with their marketing strategies. So next time you hear about brand strategy or branding, don't think logo design. Think baking a gigantic 16-layer tiramisu cake, not knowing that it's a 16-layer tiramisu cake, and you got to figure it out with just the ingredients. Thanks for watching. See you next time.